as a promise, but yeah, I used to tell this to myself that I want to do some exercise to keep myself fit and healthy, but I have not been able to do for various reasons because I find myself totally on the toes behind the wheels most of the time. I'm not able to pull out those half an hour in a day. So that I feel sometimes guilty about.
Promise, yes. Continuing from there, my wife always tells, I will do half an hour exercise, but she never keeps it. And we have grudges between us. When I'm doing my exercise and she is not able to do it. So, it's better we maintain the promise and maintain the integrity. I always keep on telling.
After hearing from Chiyamoji, I think the most important promise which I have made and which I have not been able to fulfill or complete is I became a Toastmaster, but I could not complete my speeches on time. So I think that is the most important promise I have broken. But I will continue to give my speeches.
I had a personal promise to one of my friends many years ago. I told him definitely I'll meet you after 25 years. And I made it a point to meet him at least every 10 years, so I won't lose touch and contact with him. Now, 30 years over now, I lost his address and number, and he is not in Facebook. I do not know how to fulfill that promise. This one promise I have made to myself at least 1,000 times, and that is whenever my wife talks to me, I listen to her very peacefully and carefully. Somehow I have not been able to keep it. So next promise will last till such time when she is giving me something, some instructions.
I literally stopped making promises because I now have a huge wish list which I will not call as a promise. Because literally I have made a lot of promises. Whatever promise I have done to others, I have more or less made it possible. But most of the promises that I make to myself, I am not able to do it. It's a very strange situation I am in. So I have a wish list, and as Madam Toastmaster said, if I was keen on maintaining my promise, I would have been half my size.
For last 10 years, every day I'm making a promise to myself that from tomorrow I will quit smoking. I'm breaking that.
My husband always says that it seems like you're an employee of WhatsApp and Facebook. I want to refrain myself from social media and make it as best as possible, but I'm not able to do that.
Okay, I think being a student right now, I think I keep promising myself not to postpone the things that I've planned to study or do something of that sort, but I end up postponing it every time. So I think I'll have to work on that.
I have a sweet tooth, so much so that even if I have a sore throat, I end up having some sweet and it worsens my sore throat problem, and I end up taking antihistamine tablets. Every time I think when I have a sore throat, at least then I should not have some sweets, but I just can't refrain myself from having sweets. That's a major weakness for me.
We together go for evening family healthy walk, but I'm not able to manage that handling work-life balance, and many times I am not able to keep that promise of going regularly for evening walk.
They said that promises are never to be broken, but how many times I broke the promise with my family, I don't know. After marriage, my wife used to ask me whether you have broken the promise when you were with your father and all that. It is happening after the marriage and all. So I wanted to make myself, amend myself, even small promises to keep it.
I had given a big promise to myself which is that I'll be a better speaker and a listener than my wife. And that's the reason I had joined Toastmasters, to improve my self-confidence and speaking skills. But yet I have to complete the promise.
So recently I had an accident and my hand was fractured, and I was not taking my medicines properly. My wife was away in India, so I promised my wife that I'll take my regular medicines on time, but somehow I missed, and for weeks I am still suffering.
I broken my promise. What promise I given to my mentor regarding my speeches. I know that I am breaking. Whenever we met, I am explaining my reasons why I am breaking. I will complete that soon.
This was not a promise, this was actually imposed on me. So I promised to my wife that I will cut vegetables to her every day. But somehow I am not able to keep it up, I am breaking it. And that's not a copacetic response. Now I promise that I will break it consistently. Please bear with me.
At the age of 6, I promised myself that I would grow 6 feet tall. I'm still trying. I'm not broken the promise. I'm still trying. One day I should achieve the promise. They told me I had a very promising future, so I decided that I should make a lot of promises. At least that way, the future is promising.
Yes.
In terms of adapting a healthy lifestyle, I consider it's not a compulsive promises that I am not following the things that it gives me a healthy lifestyle, like doing exercise, eating.
Good topic of promise. I always wanted to join the 5 a.m. club, which I wanted to do it for a long time, but somehow I'm not able to meet that. There is one thing which always I'm a regret. Second thing is continuing with the TM or this MMTC sessions. I think that is one of the things which I want to continue. I think this is one thing I will take home lessons.
I have a bucket list of promises, but on top of all of that is to prepare for my speeches. From project 1, I've been saying I have to prepare, but believe it or not, till today, even for today's speech, I'm not prepared.
Of late, I'm developing a good habit of getting up very late in the morning and reaching the office late. Now, I made a promise to reach the office in time, because my office, they are introducing a new system of time machine.
Okay.
And I had to wait and see how far it will be successful.
Yeah, everyone spoke almost within the timelines. Thank you.
That's a promise.
All of that. Your promise. My promise. I never kept my promise to say to my wife. Whenever she says that you come back from office today, then I've never been able to come. That's okay. I broke almost all the times I get to Thank you.
That was a very interactive, very good answer.